Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on music on Beach Buggy Racing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. Tap on your player profile on the top left corner of the screen. Go to the settings section. Here, you can find the music volume option in the audio section. Finally, drag the volume slider below music volume all the way to your right to turn on the music. And this is how you can turn on music on Beach Buggy Racing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.